I feel like this is an excellent vantage point to show you exactly what is wrong with these doors. They have been badly repaired so many times. They're over 100 years old. I've tightened everything, reglazed everything. They're just not fixable anymore. So, very excited to tell you that today is window and door day, and that, wait, there we go. It's so hard to do over your own shoulder. That crack is going to go. For those of you mocking me for how hard it is to film yourself over your own shoulder and point at things the opposite direction, I'd like to see you do it. Okay, so the dust has settled on our door installation day. Oh my God, it's definitely installation day here. I want to show you what it looks like. Ready? You guys, here is the first beauty. I don't know if you remember it, but the other door had a huge gap in it. And I mean, literally I could tell the weather by standing near it. And we decided to actually take this door all the way up. Originally there was a little transom here. And it just seemed to make such a better statement to take it all the way up. You can see we still have a little bit of wall patching to do around here, but this beauty is in. Okay, the plastic is still on, obviously. I really wanted a special color for these doors. We have been painting everything in this house kind of a really dusty Moroccan blue, and it's just not a color that's available in most door and windows, so I wanted to just do it myself. So these doors are unfinished and I will be painting myself, but check out the black. Oh, so happy. Hi, that's me. Oh, I'm so excited. You can see the finish looks amazing. I've got a little bit of cleaning to do, obviously. And tomorrow we have a little bit more. Oh, did you hear that? Wait, did you hear that? Ugh. So substantial, so much better than my rattly door from before. One more day of installs tomorrow. Thanks, Renewal.